What is up, guys? It's Tabby Cats here. It's been a long time, probably a couple months since I've uploaded. We finally got the system with the company my mom works for. It is a Honeywell Pro Series A7. And today we're going to be doing a test. I've already called the alarm company and have put it on test mode. So let's go ahead and start with panics. So as you can see on this panel, we have fire, police, medical, and silent alarm. So we're going to go ahead and do medical first. Clear it, enter your 4-digit code.
Disarmed, ready to arm.
Alarm canceled, okay.
Disarmed, ready to arm.
Alright. Now let's do police. Police emergency. Clear it, enter your code.
Disarmed, not ready to arm.
Canceled.
Disarmed, ready to arm.
Go here, we can do fire. It also sets the smokes off, which is absolutely amazing.
Fire. Disarmed, ready to arm.
You know your 4-digit code.
Disarmed, ready to arm.
It's disarmed. Silent police, we're going to do that next. As you can see, that transmits a message, but it does not say anything. So we're going to go ahead now and do the smoke detectors now. So let's go ahead and do those. Smoke should have a button on them. I believe it's the middle. Yeah.
Fire alarm living room. Smoke detector.
Yeah, your code to turn it off.
Disarmed, ready to arm.
Okay.
Disarmed, ready to arm.
So you just disregard that. Let's do the upstairs smoke now. Enter your pen.
Disarmed, disarmed, ready to arm.
Alright. So, what we're going to do now is we're going to perform a walk test on all the sensors, and then we'll test the burglary communications, but I'm not going to do it for each one. Tools. No, settings, that's right. Settings. Tools. One or the other. I think it's tools. Yes, you enter tools, and then you go to system test. Yeah, test sensors. You start test. Please trigger sensors to see results. Okay, so let's go ahead and trip the sensors one by one. There we go. To the living room. Yep, there you go. Alright, we do this one.
Dining room, left window. Dining room, window. Kitchen, window. Back window.
So now this one's going to say back doors because it's on the same loop as the back door.
Back door.
But
Back door.
go. See?
Laundry room. Window.
Laundry room. We'll come over here. We'll do these.
Dining room. Window. Dining room. Window. Dining room. Right window.
Alright, so that's walk test. We'll go ahead and we'll hit OK. Alright. My bad, I had to do something. So, all the sensors are named, as we can see. So, they're all good. These are older sensors, so they don't show everything, but you in test.
Disarmed. Ready to arm.
And they're good to go. The screen, hit the back arrow. Communicator's already been tested. So, let's go ahead and test the burglary zone. We'll just do a quick test for that. Home. And your pen to arm it.
Armed. Stay.
So we're gonna let that count down, and then we will be right back. All right.
Armed. Stay.
All right. Let's well, they're all instant. What's one we haven't done? Well, let's just do back door. Well, yeah, let's do it.
Disarm system now.
So they have a delay on them. All the windows are instant, but I wanted to just show you the delay. So, but we'll let the delay run out. There we go.
Alarm. Back door.
Now we'll go ahead and cancel.
Disarmed. Not ready to arm. Disarmed. Ready to arm.
Just ignore that. That's my TC notifications. Total Connect. Let me know.